Hello, friends, and welcome to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, we are going to learn about the different types of nouns in English. Nouns are very important because they help us name people, places, things, ideas, groups, and materials clearly. In this lesson, we will learn about common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, concrete nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, collective nouns, and material nouns with simple explanations and examples. Let's begin. First, common nouns. A common noun is a general name for people, places, things, or ideas. Examples: boy, girl, teacher, city, park, school, dog, cat, book, chair, table, car. Now, let's see simple sentences. Boy. The boy is running in the park. Girl. The girl is reading a book. Teacher. The teacher is explaining the lesson. City. The city is very busy today. Park. The park is full of children. School. The school opens at 8 o'clock. Dog. The dog is barking loudly. Cat. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Book. The book is on the table. Chair. The chair is very comfortable. Table. The table is made of wood. Car. The car is parked outside the house. Next, proper nouns. A proper noun is the specific name of a particular person, place, or thing. Examples: James, David, Mr. Michael, New York City, Los Angeles, Washington, D.C., Monday, January, Apple, Microsoft. Now, let's see simple sentences. James. James works in a hospital in New York City. David. David is studying engineering in Los Angeles. Mr. Michael. Mr. Michael teaches math in Washington, D.C. New York City. New York City is very busy and famous in the USA. Los Angeles. Los Angeles is known for movies and entertainment in the USA. Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States. Monday. School in the USA starts every Monday morning. January. January is a cold winter month in many states of the USA. Apple. Apple is a big technology company in the USA. Microsoft. Microsoft is a famous software company based in the USA. Now, abstract nouns. An abstract noun names ideas, feelings, qualities, or conditions that we cannot touch or see. Examples: honesty, kindness, courage, love, happiness, freedom, wisdom, beauty, hope, peace. Simple sentences. Honesty. Honesty is very important in life. Kindness. Kindness makes the world a better place. Courage. Courage helps people face challenges. Love. Love brings people together. Happiness. Happiness comes from simple things in life. Freedom. Freedom is a basic human right. Wisdom. Wisdom comes with experience. Beauty.
Beauty can be found in nature. Hope. Hope gives us strength in hard times. Peace. Peace is what every country needs.
Next, concrete nouns. A concrete noun names things that can be seen, heard, touched, smelled, or tasted. Examples: car, tree, pen, dog, bird, house, phone, laptop, table, chair, ball. Simple sentences. Car. The car is parked in front of the house. Tree. The tree is very tall and green. Pen. The pen is on the desk. Dog. The dog is playing in the yard. Bird. The bird is singing in the tree. House. The house is big and beautiful. Phone. The phone is ringing on the table. Laptop. The laptop is open on the desk. Table. The table is clean and shiny. Chair. The chair is next to the window. Ball. The ball is rolling on the ground. Now, countable nouns. Countable nouns can be counted and have singular and plural forms. Examples: pen, pens; book, books; apple, apples; student, students. Simple sentences. Pen, pens. The pens are on the desk. Book, books. The books are in the bag. Apple, apples. The apples are fresh and red. Student, students. The students are in the classroom. Now, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns cannot usually be counted individually and often do not have plural forms. Examples: water, rice, milk; sugar, salt, oil; information, advice; furniture, luggage. Simple sentences. Water. Water is essential for life. Rice. Rice is a common food in many countries. Milk. Milk is good for strong bones. Sugar. Sugar makes tea taste sweet. Salt. Salt is used in almost every meal. Oil. Oil is used for cooking food. Information. Information is very useful in learning. Advice. Advice helps people make better decisions. Furniture. Furniture is in every home. Luggage. Luggage is carried when people travel. Now, collective nouns. A collective noun refers to a group of people or things. Examples: team, class, family; crowd, audience, committee; bunch, flock, herd; staff, group. Simple sentences. Team. The team is playing very well today. Class. The class is learning English grammar. Family. The family is having dinner together. Crowd. The crowd is cheering loudly at the game. Audience. The audience is watching the concert. Committee. The committee is making an important decision. Bunch. The bunch of grapes is very fresh. Flock. The flock of birds is flying south. Herd. The herd of cows is grazing in the field. Staff. The staff is working hard in the office. Group. The group is discussing the project.
Finally, material nouns. Material nouns refer to materials or substances used to make things. Examples: gold, silver, iron, wood, glass, cotton, paper, plastic, stone, clay, fabric. Simple sentences. Gold. Gold is very valuable. Silver. Silver is used to make jewelry. Iron. Iron is strong and used in construction. Wood. Wood is used to make furniture. Glass. Glass is used to make windows. Cotton. Cotton is used to make clothes. Paper. Paper is used for writing and printing. Plastic. Plastic is used in many everyday products. Stone. Stone is used to build houses. Clay. Clay is used to make pots and bricks. Fabric. Fabric is used to make clothes. Today, we learned the main types of nouns in English. Understanding these noun types will help you improve your speaking, writing, and grammar skills. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.